In the rapidly evolving digital landscape of the Philippines, the speed of data transfer is often taken for granted. Yet, behind the user interface of platforms like BTXSGG, a sophisticated engineering process is at work. It is not instantaneous magic, it is a rigorous computational sequence. When a value transfer is initiated, it does not immediately land on the permanent ledger. Instead, it begins a journey through a decentralized infrastructure that relies on code and mathematics to establish trust without central intermediaries. The first stage of this journey is the mempool, or memory pool. This functions as a distributed waiting room for unconfirmed data. It is not a centralized server but a collection of pending transactions held by nodes across the network. Here, data packets are prioritized based on network resource allocation. It is a dynamic environment where the speed of inclusion into a block often depends on the current traffic and congestion levels. Technical teams monitor this throughput to understand the real-time health of the digital ecosystem. The transition from the mempool to the permanent chain is managed by validators. These network participants select pending transactions to construct a block. This process involves more than just listing data, it requires organizing it into a Merkle tree structure. This compresses the transaction data into a single, unique digital fingerprint known as the Merkle root. The validator then hashes this root along with the header of the previous block. This cryptographic linking ensures that if even a single byte of history is altered, the entire mathematical chain breaks. Once a block is cryptographically sealed, it is broadcast to the network for the consensus phase. Independent nodes globally verify the validity of the signatures and the proof. Only when the majority agrees is the block permanently appended to the ledger. For the BTXSGG infrastructure, this finality is crucial. It ensures that the record is immutable and secure, maintained by distributed agreement rather than a single authority. This process repeats continuously, creating an unbroken chain of data. It is this automated, relentless cycle that powers a 24/7 global economy, ensuring security and transparency for every user.